to show you. I want to show you the room that we live in. Let's go. All right, this is the entrance. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the entrance. I'm standing now at the entrance. This is the place where you put your luggage, and this is the living room. There's a sofa there, 2 tables, and then there's table, TV, and cupboard here. Okay, just empty. Okay, this one is fridge. So fridge here. That is ours. Those are ours. And then you have drawer, TV, table, chairs, and right here, yeah, there's kettle, glasses, cups. All right. So this is how the living room looks like. So now let's go into the bedroom. So this is the bedroom, like so. Okay, it's quite big, and it's here. This is the mirror. All right, and then we go this side. This is the bathroom. Look at the bathroom. All right, it's very clean. There's this another shower, but I take my shower over there. It's easier because, you know, I don't want to wash my hair. There's towel here. So this is how the bathroom looks like. All right, so this is my simple makeup brushes, my concealer, mascara, my eyebrow pencil. This is my cream, lip balm, this serum, powder, blusher, foundation, and all those things. All right,